Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is May, aka KIMSDOPE, and if you're wondering how I got this 3D effect look going on, then please keep on watching. But I do want to make a disclosure. I was not able to film the whole video because I'm sick, and I was coughing my lungs out, but I pretty much showed you guys how to basically make a guide or how to do this type of look. If you like this look, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and to my IG to be part of the KDope fam. Alright guys, so I'll be going with the B Studio Pro Ultimate Brow Palette. I'll be going in with a dark brown pomade and underlining my lower brow. And then 3/4 of the way I'll be lining the top. Whatever is left on my brush, I'll be filling in the rest of my brow with. I literally am speeding through this because this is the technique I use for when I want a fuller brow. Then I'll be setting the pomade with a dark brown shadow. I don't really have hair in the front, so that's why I drew it in the front. I have a different technique I want to show you guys that's more natural that I usually go with now because it's like everyday wear. I'll be cleaning up my brow with the NYX concealer. Take your time on this part because you could totally mess up the work you did, and that would fucking suck. I've done it so many times, so here I just show you me taking my time. You want to try to get it as even as you can because, you want your brows on fleek. That's the first thing people notice when they look at you is your brows or your smile. Honestly, it really does finish a whole look. If you guys hear any talking or any noise, there's construction and I'm literally doing this voiceover at my work. I set my brows with the ABH brow gel. That's my boyfriend in the background playing his PS4. Then I'll be going in with a Too Faced Insurance Primer, eyeshadow primer. It makes my eyeshadow last and pop. And then I'll be setting that with the Airspun translucent powder. And then I'll be going in with the Jordana white pencil just to map out where I want the lines to be and where I want the 3D effect to take place. I'm literally doing the middle of my eyelid and then one closest to my brow. Take your time here mapping it out because you want to try to get it as precise as you can. I use tape to also help me get a crisp line. You know what I'm saying? I've been taking the BH Cosmetic Take Me to Brazil palette, the OG one. I'll be going in with that purple. I'm packing it into the first line. And then I'll be blending the purple out with the blue. Always want to start with the darkest color first and then blending it out with the lighter color so that it can create that gradient effect that you want. Then I'll be blending that blue with the light blue. I'm literally using one palette, as you can see here. It's already creating that gradient effect that I like. And then for the second line, I'll be going in with that magenta color. And remember to pack and blend, pack and blend. That will be your best friend. Okay? Okay. After that, after you line it with the pink, you want to blend it out with the lighter pink To make the lines more precise, you want to clean it up with the NYX concealer. After that, blend out your lower lash line with the light blue. I didn't show it here, I'm sorry. Finish the rest of your eye look with eyeliner and eyelashes, and you should be good to go. And that's pretty much it. I hope you like it, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.